Are you worried about making packing mistakes that could ruin your trip to Europe? Don't stress, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid the most common packing problems that travelers face. From overpacking to forgetting important items, I'll give you simple solutions to ensure your trip is smooth and enjoyable. If you're tired of dragging heavy bags or missing essential things, this video is for you. Stick around because I'll be sharing all the tips you need to pack smart and travel light. Make sure to watch the full video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future travel advice. Plus, don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow travelers. Leave a comment below with your favorite packing tips or questions. Let's get started. 1. Overpacking. Overpacking is a common mistake many travelers make, especially when heading to Europe, where the climate can vary greatly from one country to another. While it might seem like a good idea to pack for every possible situation, carrying heavy luggage can quickly become a hassle. Imagine dragging bulky bags through crowded airports, navigating train stations, or rolling them over Europe's famous cobblestone streets. It's exhausting. Instead of overpacking, focus on bringing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This way, you'll have everything you need without the extra weight. A good tip is to use a packing list. This helps you plan and avoid throwing in unnecessary items at the last minute. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing for a trip to Europe. 2. Ignoring weather conditions. One big mistake travelers often make is not checking the weather for each place they plan to visit. Europe has a wide range of climates, and what works for one city might not work for another. For example, London is known for its rain, while Barcelona can be very sunny. If you don't prepare for these differences, you might find yourself either too cold, too hot, or constantly wet, which can spoil your trip. To avoid this, it's important to pack smart. Bring lightweight layers that you can easily add or remove as the weather changes. A compact umbrella or a rain jacket is also a must, especially for places where rain is common. By planning your wardrobe based on the weather, you'll stay comfortable and enjoy your trip no matter what the skies bring. 3. Not considering local customs and dress codes. When traveling to Europe, it's important to respect the local customs and dress codes in each country you visit. Many places in Europe have specific expectations for how people should dress, especially in religious sites like churches or temples. For example, some churches require that your shoulders and knees be covered, so packing modest clothing is essential. If you don't consider these customs, you might feel out of place or even be denied entry to certain locations. A common mistake travelers make is packing overly casual clothes, thinking they'll be fine everywhere. However, in some parts of Europe, dressing too casually can be seen as disrespectful, especially in more formal settings. To avoid this, it's a good idea to research the cultural norms of each destination before you start packing. This way, you can dress appropriately and show respect for the local traditions, making your trip smoother and more enjoyable. 4. Bringing too many shoes. Packing too many pairs of shoes is a common mistake that can take up a lot of unnecessary space in your luggage. Shoes are often bulky and heavy, and having multiple pairs can quickly fill up your suitcase, leaving less room for other essentials. Plus, carrying around a heavy bag filled with shoes can make traveling through airports, train stations, and narrow European streets much harder. To keep things simple, consider packing just 2 pairs of shoes. One pair should be comfortable walking shoes, perfect for exploring cities and sightseeing. The other pair can be for more formal occasions, like dining out or attending events. By choosing versatile shoes that can be worn in different settings, you'll save space and avoid the hassle of lugging around extra weight. This way, you'll have everything you need without overloading your suitcase. 5. Forgetting important travel essentials. Forgetting important travel essentials can turn a smooth trip into a stressful experience. Items like adapters, travel-sized toiletries, and important documents are easy to overlook, but not having them can cause big problems. Imagine arriving in a new country only to realize you can't charge your devices because you forgot an adapter, or you need to buy toiletries at a higher price because you didn't pack any. These small items are crucial for your comfort and convenience. To avoid unnecessary stress and expenses, it's important to plan. Creating a checklist of must-have items before you start packing is a simple but effective way to ensure you don't forget anything important. By checking off each item as you pack, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for your trip and won't be caught off guard by missing essentials. 6. Neglecting security precautions. Neglecting security precautions while traveling can lead to serious problems, especially in busy tourist areas. It's important to pack items like money belts, anti-theft bags, and copies of important documents to keep your valuables safe. These items can protect you from pickpockets and help ensure that your important belongings, like passports and money, are secure. Without them, you might find yourself in a difficult situation if something gets stolen or lost. Carrying valuables in easily accessible places, like back pockets or open bags, increases the risk of theft. To stay safe, use hidden pouches or secure bags that are designed to prevent pickpocketing. These small steps can make a big difference in keeping your belongings safe and giving you peace of mind during your trip. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy your travels without worrying about losing important items. 7. Not packing for health and comfort. Packing for health and comfort is crucial for a pleasant trip, but it's easy to forget these important items. Bringing things like a travel pillow, your regular medication, and a reusable water bottle can make a big difference in how comfortable and well prepared you feel during your travels. A travel pillow helps you rest during long journeys, while having your medication ensures you stay healthy without searching for local pharmacies. Relying on local availability for health products can be risky, as you might not find exactly what you need, or it could be more expensive. That's why it's a good idea to pack a small health kit with essentials like pain relievers, band-aids, and any specific items you might need. By preparing ahead, you can avoid discomfort and stay focused on enjoying your trip, knowing that you're covered for any minor health issues that might arise. 8. Carrying too much technology. Packing too many gadgets can quickly become a burden when traveling. It's tempting to bring all your devices, but carrying too much technology can weigh you down and create more hassle than convenience. Not only does it add extra weight to your luggage, but it also increases the risk of losing or damaging expensive items. Plus, managing multiple chargers and cables can be a headache, especially when you're on the go. To keep things simple, it's important to prioritize what's necessary. Instead of packing every gadget you own, consider bringing just the essentials. A power bank is a great way to keep your devices charged without needing multiple outlets, and a multi-device charger can help minimize electronic clutter. Also, make sure to use a lightweight protective case for your devices to keep them safe during your travels. By packing smart, you can enjoy your trip without being weighed down by too much technology. 9. Skipping the pre-trip packing test. Skipping the pre-trip packing test is a common mistake that can lead to surprises on the day you leave. Many people assume that everything will fit perfectly in their suitcase or backpack, only to find out at the last minute that their bags are too full, too heavy, or awkward to carry. Not testing out your packing situation before the trip can result in a rushed, stressful packing process, where you might have to remove items or rearrange everything, which can throw off your entire travel plan. To avoid this, it's a good idea to do a trial pack a few days before your trip. This helps you see if everything fits properly and whether your bag is comfortable to carry. If you notice that your bag is too heavy or items don't fit well, you can adjust your packing list and leave behind non-essential items. By doing a pre-trip packing test, you'll be more organized and confident, knowing that your luggage is ready for the journey ahead. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you avoid common packing mistakes and make your trip to Europe more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future travel tips and guides. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to share your packing tips or ask any questions in the comments below. Also, if you know someone who's planning a trip to Europe, share this video with them. It might save them from some packing headaches. Thanks again for watching and happy travels.